More than 3.2 million families have got a new pet since the start of the pandemic. So, if you've switched workplace colleagues for a cuddly companion or welcomed a new fur baby into your family over lockdown, you're far from alone. With 12.5 million dogs, 12.2 million cats, and almost 2 million small mammals like rabbits, hamsters and guinea pigs in homes up and down the country, 17 million UK households are now home to at least one furry animal. And that, of course, means there are a lot more mouths to feed.
A fact not lost on legendary fund manager Terry Smith, who reckons that pet owners would stop feeding their children before they stop feeding their pets. The Pet Food Manufacturers Association has said the prepared pet food market has grown from £1.5 billion in 2002 to £3.2 billion today. And this is a global trend. Nestle, Colgate-Palmolive and Procter & Gamble are just 3 of the 5 main pet food brands, all with a finger or two in the tasty pet food pie. It's a list of top performers, all headed up by Mars Pet Care, who owns the Whiskers and Pedigree brands. The latest figures from Nestle show that pet care is now one of the top 2 performing product categories during lockdown, alongside coffee. But the pet care market goes way further than just food. Retail chain Pets at Home reckons owners spend, on average, every year £1,000 on their furry friends. And they should know. Pets at Home's profits have multiplied like, well, the proverbial rabbits. Pets at Home has seen its revenue top £1 billion during the pandemic, and its shares have soared by more than 100%. And because, as we know, a pet is for life, not just for lockdown, veterinary services are also thriving.
CVS, which runs pet care services up and down the country, saw revenue top £510 million in the year to July, up more than 19% on 2020 as it added almost 500,000 new pets to its healthy pet plans.
Make no bones about it, pet care companies are the cat's whiskers right now.